This has to be probably the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day using this easy affiliate marketing method, and even without selling anything. On top of that, we're going to be using 100% free traffic. So let's dive right into it. Now, you probably know the importance of short form content, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchats, and TikToks. But there are still tons of YouTube channels that aren't taking advantage of short form content. And that is how you are going to make a lot of money. And no, you're not going to sell anything, nor are you going to have to create or sell a service. All you're going to do is tell these people all about this amazing tool. And the tool I'm talking about is an amazing tool called Video.ai. Now, what Video.ai does, it takes long form content from YouTube videos and even podcasts, and it turns it into viral shorts. Viral shorts just like this, with the captions included, just like what you're seeing on your screen right now. And it does the framing for each scene detection, just like you see on your screen. It also generates automatic subtitles using AI. It even adds in cinematic B-roll footage. You can take those shorts once they're created by AI and post them across all your social media platforms and accounts. And even for social media, it's going to generate descriptions, titles, and even hashtags, all with just one click of a button. This tool is a game changer. How YouTubers can take their long form videos and turn them into several pieces of highly viral content that they can share on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok, or anywhere else, and it's super easy to get started with. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually promote this tool and get your affiliate link and turn this tool into infinite passive income. That's recurring income each and every single month consistently. And the way you're gonna do that is by becoming an affiliate for this tool by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page to where you're going to look for affiliate programs. And then it's going to take you to their affiliate sign up page to where you'll see Video.ai pays 20% commissions. Now, if you scroll down here, you'll see the sign up process. So you just follow through the prompts until the sign up is complete. Now, signing up is super easy to do and it's absolutely free. But again, you're going to get 20% commissions of the revenue you bring for the first 12 months. Then this means that you could earn up to $100 for every person you refer. Now, these commissions are going to get debited into your account every single month for the lifetime of that customer. Now, once you sign up, just check your email. It's going to give you all of the details to where you can go and get your affiliate link. Once you have your affiliate link, you're ready to go. So now we're diving to the next steps on how you could turn your affiliate link into recurring income each and every single month. Now, the way you're going to do this and turn this into cash is by heading over to YouTube. Now, there are two ways you can do this. Now, the first way is to search for podcast creators who are on the YouTube platform, and there are tons of them. If you know, like I know, people who post their podcasts on the YouTube platform, most of those podcasts can be anywhere from an hour to 2 hours long. And some of them, especially the big creators, have some podcasts that are getting millions of views. But the crazy thing is, a lot of these podcast creators aren't taking advantage of short form content. So all you have to do is just search for podcasts. So let's take a look at this one. This one has over 350,000 subscribers and only 3 videos. It looks like they just started, but as you can see, they don't have any short form content or any YouTube shorts. So this podcast creator would be the ultimate example of someone who could take full advantage of a software like Video.ai. All they would have to do is just go over to Video.ai, create their account. They can even get started for free. And all they would have to do is take their YouTube video link and just copy it and paste it into the software. And it's going to create short form content generated using artificial intelligence in a matter of 5 minutes. And it's super easy. I mean, even a 5th grader can do this. So once you find a podcast creator just like this, as you can see up at the top, they have their business email. Now I'm going to show you exactly what to do once you collect these emails in just a few moments. But I want you to understand, you're going to be collecting the emails of these YouTube creators, and in this case, podcasters that aren't creating short form content, but they have tons of video content on their channels. And it doesn't have to be necessarily podcasters. It could be YouTubers like this guy right here who has a lot of content that he's putting out. But if you take a look, he only has 2 shorts. Now he has 832 subscribers, and he's not taking advantage of using short form content with all of his long form content videos he's putting on YouTube. So you want to find YouTube channels like this one and just simply collect their email addresses. And you could put them all in a spreadsheet, or you could just copy and paste them in a notepad on your computer or your mobile device. Now that was one way you can collect the emails, by doing it manually. But if you want to speed up the process and collect emails on a mass scale and a whole lot faster, I highly recommend that you use this software called igleads.io. Now igleads.io is basically an AI software that scrapes emails from things like social media platforms and even websites. But the reason I'm showing you this because it also scrapes emails from YouTube channels and even the YouTube platform as a whole. And what I love most about it, it's very easy to use and it works very quickly. So if you don't want to find all the emails manually by searching and then going to the channels and then going to the descriptions and then copying and pasting all the emails, all you have to do is just create an account with this software and go through the prompts of filling out the information in a few simple steps, and it's going to help you build your email list up quickly. And then you can take those emails and email everybody at the same time. And you can email a lot of people at the same time. Now, I won't go in details on how to do this process because I've already created a video about it. I'm going to leave a link down in the YouTube description. But if you want to check it out right now and play with the software, I'm going to leave a link to igleads.io below this video as well. Now, in this strategy to make money with video AI, all you have to do is send one simple email. And this is also how you're going to get that 100% free traffic I promised you in the beginning. Now, if you want access to this template, I'm going to leave a link down below, and it's absolutely free. That's my gift for you for watching this video to the end. Now, what's cool about this email template is it's very subtle, and you're absolutely not selling anything. You're just making a recommendation. All you have to do once you get this template is just copy it and paste it into your email service provider. So it starts with the subject right here, copy and paste, and then you're going to put their email, of course. And then if you know their name, it's good to put their name inside the name part of this template. And then it just goes, I'm going to get straight to the point, and I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to help YouTube channels and get more information about what common problems they are facing with their growth on the platform, so I can offer better services in the future. For example, did you know about this tool? Now, this is where you're going to add in your affiliate link. So what you would do, you will make this word a hyperlink, and they're going to click this to see what tool you're talking about. And then they're going to get cookied to your affiliate link. And if and when they make a purchase, that's how you're going to get the commissions. Now, this is basically the only email that you would need to send to those channels. But obviously, this is all just a numbers game. The more emails you can collect, the more emails you can send out, and it's going to increase the chances of all of those emails or people that you're emailing becoming customers of video.ai and you making money in the process. Now, keep in mind, video AI is an amazing tool, and a lot of people may already know about it. So when they read your email, they may not do anything, but those people who are curious and may not know about these softwares, they're going to click your affiliate link and get more information about video.ai. But nonetheless, this is a super easy strategy for you to get your affiliate link out to a targeted audience that this software will be perfect for, and helping them streamline their YouTube business and start creating more content without doing any extra work. And like I said, you're not really selling anything. All you're doing is just saying, hey, I have this software. I see what you're doing. If you haven't heard of it, check it out. I think it could really help your YouTube growth. Now, also keep in mind, if and when those people also sign up to purchase this software, video.ai gives you credits. So some of these YouTubers may have videos that are over an hour long and over 2 hours long. And the thing is, they may be pumping out these 1 hour, 2 hours plus videos each and every single day or a week. So their credits may run out even though they signed up for the program. So what they're going to have to do is purchase additional credits so that they can continue to put out content on their channel. And when they do that, you're going to also get extra income on top of their membership that they're already paying for. Now, if you like this email that you're seeing on the screen, I also have a second email that I've been using and training some of my students with that I've also had some success with myself that speeds up the process and enhances everything that you're already doing within this email. If you would like to get access to that email template for absolutely free, you're going to want to click the link down below this video. Also, when you sign up to get those free email templates, I'm going to go more in depth with how to use IG leads to collect all of those emails at once so you can mass email those people all at the same time and speed up the process of getting those leads. So if you really want to know how to do this on a time-saving level and start making money as soon as possible, I suggest you click the links down below this video. So once again, this is a super simple and easy way to start making money in affiliate marketing that doesn't require a lot of time and effort, that you can get started with right now and start generating $50 to $100 every single day. I hope that you really got some value out of it and really learned something new. Now, if you want to learn how to make high-ticket sales commissions with affiliate marketing, make sure you check out the first link below. It's going to lead you to a video to where you can learn how to create an entire 7-figure affiliate marketing business without all the tech, without building the funnels, without emails, and even without creating videos like I'm doing right now. So check that out. It's going to be the first link down below this video. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and stay blessed. And I'll see you on the other side of success.